Hi friends, welcome back to another video, and today I'm gonna show you how you can score unlimited in the Chrome Dino game using just one line of simple code. Now if you don't know about the Dino game, this is basically an offline game. If your computer is not connected to the internet, then also you can play this game, and it's really a tough game. Like, you can just go to there like by Chrome colon slash slash Dino, press enter, and basically this is the game. And if you are a noob like me, like, you have to jump if you see any obstacles, and if you're a noob like me, then you will soon get stuck and your game will be over. Like this, your game will be over basically. And you can do a simple code. You can use a simple code to just hack this Dino game, and you can score unlimited in this game. Now I will show you how to do that. So to do this, right click on the screen, go to inspect. Now something like this will open here on the right side or on the bottom side. Then you have to go to console. After that, you have to write some code. You have to write runner. Basically this will run the program, and then dot instance underscore. Then what you have to do is you have to give a dot and then game over. Basically Google has already written this code, so that when we get stuck, our game will be over. It will show that message game over. But here we will write our own code, and here we can score unlimitedly. Like, we can't score only just 100 or 200, we can score thousands actually. Or you can score unlimited. uh, then after you have given the game over, you will give an equal to sign. Then here you have to give two parentheses or first bracket, and then here you have to give one arrow which is equal to sign, and then one greater sign, and you have to give one open second bracket and then close second bracket, and press enter. That's it. Then you can just minimize or close this part, and we'll press here this one, and see, it will not get any obstacle in its path, and you can score unlimited in this game. So this is a fun trick which you can use to score unlimited in this Dino game. You can not just score 100, 200, you can score 1000, 10,000, or like, you can score unlimited. And if you want to stop it, just close this browser, and that's it. I hope you like this video. If you liked it, click on that like button, share this video, also subscribe to my channel, and press the bell icon to receive the notifications of all my uploads. I upload this kind of technical videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.